Hey, I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach, Florida, and today we're on the 277 LXF Scout. Beautiful boat. First thing that you're going to notice when you get on the 277 Scout is how beautiful the upholstery is on this boat, the appointments on it, the high end. I mean, this boat just screams luxury. But let's look at a few of the nice features on this boat. First of all, we've got a starboard side entryway door, a swim ladder on the starboard side back there. Got to have that stuff. The 225 Mercury 4-stroke engines on here in the white really match this boat superbly. We've got a fold-away seat in the stern, live well on the port side, fish boxes on the floor on both sides. And now look at this leaning post. This is where you can tell that why Scout is a Scout, because this boat is just gorgeous. Solid surface countertop right here. Look at these stainless steel drawers. This looks like something that you'd see in a high-end chef's kitchen or something like this. This is really nice stuff. The appointments on the Scout are just gorgeous. Again, going to the leaning post here too, looking at the upholstery on this. If you're looking for a beautiful boat, this is it. The stitching, the baseball leather on here, really nice stuff. This is already equipped with twin Garmin GPS multifunction displays on here, so your electronics are already set. Great Edison stainless steel wheel on here, electronic controls, nicely laid out dash, couple of drink holders that are really you're gonna have. You look down below and you just don't see a head compartment or an inside console finished off like that. That's gorgeous. I don't think there's anybody that can touch that in the industry. Moving forward, two beautiful lounge seats, port and starboard side, a seat in front of the console as well, so you've got lots of nice comfortable seating for a center console. You've got an anchor windlass tucked away, hidden underneath here. You've got controls at the helm, but you've got controls for the windlass right here too. This is the Scout 277 LXF. It's at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. Give me a call today. Let's go for a ride.